Hey, how you doing?
Fine.
Welcome to Skydive Dubai. Is this your first time?
Yes, it's the first time.
Yeah. How are you feeling? Excited, nervous?
Excited and nervous too.
Yeah, everything.
Everything.
Yeah, you got to enjoy the nerves, right?
Yeah.
And why are you jumping? Any special reason?
I hope, yeah,
Just for
enjoy
fun?
this one. Yeah.
Just for fun. Perfect. Well, the weather's beautiful. You're jumping with Tim. Should we go and do it?
Let's go.
Let's do it. Perfect. Big smiles. I'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.
We're invited the night in. Welcome, my heart so full, I'm devoted myself to the night. There's no motive. We're just listening. We're existing.
Welcome back. You just jumped out of a plane. How are you feeling?
Alhamdulillah, I'm still alive. The heart's still here. And pulse.
Happy?
Happy, I'm very happy. So I will feel like drunk.
Let's do it again?
Alhamdulillah. No!
No! Yeah, you will.
No!
Okay, one time only. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much, Skydive Dubai. And I want to say a word from Indonesia. Ayo, masa meroket terus? Sesekali terjun.